Alright, listen, we're not usually in this type of setting, but as you seen by the title and the thumbnail, look, this is that brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Black titanium, man. Look, it's super clean. I'm about to go ahead and unbox it. Wow. Y'all, I love this thing. You know, got the little fall thing going on, fall colors. Hey, look, man. Can't wait to do this. I'm excited. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, right here we got the little 14 Pro. You know what I mean? Super clean. Now I didn't upgrade to the 15 because like it wasn't that big of an upgrade. So without further ado, though, you know, like this phone, it's cool and everything, but hey, right here, this is the main attraction. Let's go ahead and just, whoo, like you know, like the unboxing experience. Peel the little thingies off. Wow. Okay. Go ahead and slide out the phone. And just, we're greeted by that natural black titanium, man. Like, this looks insane. And this feels so light. Compared to this feels like nothing. Like, hold on. One sec. Take off the little case real quick, right? Y'all, like, this phone feels heavy. Not gonna lie, this phone feels heavy. I love the color of this. This phone feels heavy. This feels like nothing. Like, this is a phone. This is crazy. Wow. Let's go ahead and do our little unboxing thing. Let me go ahead and focus this real quick. Go ahead and pull the little tab. Woo! Now that is what you call something clean, okay? Let's go ahead and power it on for the first time. Yo, is it that? Oh, it's not. Yes. And you can see we got the camera control right here on the side. Yo, I'm loving this color. My goodness, this is it. This is really it. All right, so this is our old phone right here. You know, still nice and clean, but compared to the 16 Pro, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Like, just look at this phone. This is like amazing. And Apple, hey, listen, W Apple. I'm gonna show you guys. They charged it for me too. Like, look at this. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, fresh out the box. These guys, they charged it. Hold up, I'm gonna focus on you. Look at that. I have a, like, it's a charged iPhone. Wow. Love it. Love to see it. Love to see it. And that screen, it's so pretty compared to the old one. Like, it's so, I don't know. It's just pretty. So, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set it up and everything, but yeah, iPhone 16 Pro, black titanium. Y'all, this is the phone. This is the phone. Stay tuned, see y'all boys later.